Hey, welcome back to Pretty DIYs. Today I'm going to be doing a sweater pumpkin. I just took an old sweater that I knew I wasn't going to use, and I decided to reuse it and make some decor with it. So if you have any type of old sweaters you know you're not going to use, then you could use it to make a pumpkin with. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So stay tuned for this DIY. So I'm going to cut off the top, as you can see, some of the pieces at the top so that I can make a stem. So when you see me cutting pieces off, that's why I'm doing it. Because you don't want it to be too thick at the top. You want to be able to make your stem, and I'll show you how to make the stem.
Listen to them, just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Don't be afraid, be strong, you're not alone. listen to them. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Don't be afraid, be strong, you're not alone. Take a deep breath and realize, trust in yourself, I promise you'll find hope. Oh, you'll be alright, you'll be alright. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well, yeah. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them, baby. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. It's right there.
Okay, so I'm almost pretty much finished with the pumpkin. I was going to use tulle as a bow to wrap around it, but it didn't look right, so I decided to use this other gray material that I had, and I used that for a bow. I'm gonna add the pictures in so that you can see it, because I didn't record me putting that bow on, so I'll just add the pictures so that you can see the finished look. And this was a pretty easy DIY. It's a DIY that really, if you already have a sweater, or if you already have some type of fabric that you want to use, it's really cheap. It could cost you nothing if you have all the materials at home, which is what I had. I had everything at home, so I didn't have to buy anything, but it's very budget friendly. So just let me know what you think about this DIY in the comments. And if you like it, hit the like button, and also consider subscribing. I'm gonna add the pictures in now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.